Okay.
Hi friends, this is Teacher Susie, and today we're going to make Play-Doh. And I have the recipe right here, so you can get a good, moms and dads, you can get a good look at that and make Play-Doh. And today we're going to make Play-Doh, and it's a cooked recipe, and I've done it several times, and it comes out really, really nice. So first of all, I'm going to wash my hands for 20 seconds in my kitchen. Before you start cooking or doing anything, you always wash your hands. The first ingredient is flour. We need 4 cups of flour. It's a lot of flour because we're making a lot of Play-Doh. So here we go. And we're putting it in our big pot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our flour. Next, we need 2 cups of salt. So we'll add this to the flour. One, 2. Then we're using cream of tartar. You can find this at Safeway or any other store. So we're gonna do 8 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we need 8 teaspoons of oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like we have a little bit left over. That's okay. We can pour that right in. And our last ingredient is water. We need 4 cups of water and food coloring of your choice. Today I chose orange, and you need to add the food coloring directly to the water. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's add a good amount of food coloring because we want the color to be bright. And then pour that in. And we're gonna mix it. And kids love Play-Doh. And I wanna tell you guys how much I've missed you, and I hope you're having fun with all the activities the teachers are planning for you guys. And we really wanna see you so soon. I miss you so much. I miss all my teacher friends too. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to take it to the stove and we're going to cook it. You want to keep stirring it while it's cooking so it doesn't burn. So we're going to let that cook. And I hope everyone is having a fun time, and I know it's Good Friday and Easter is on Sunday, and I know you guys are probably a little excited about that. And after this is cooked, I'm going to do something called kneading. And I'll show you that once it's cooked. And keep stirring. Oh, it's already starting to form. See the little ball that's forming on the spoon? forms up pretty quickly once it gets going. That's why it's important to keep stirring. And Play-Doh will last a fairly long time if you put it in an airtight container or even a Ziploc bag. It could last up to a month. You could even put it in the refrigerator. And keep stirring and stirring. And I'll be bringing some bags of Play-Doh to SAPS a little bit later on this afternoon for anyone that wants to play with some Play-Doh today or this weekend. Or better yet, you can make your own Play-Doh at home with your mom or your dad. It's forming up very nicely. Some things that I've been doing while I've been at home is taking my dog for a walk, spending a lot of time with my family, and staying inside. It's very important that you stay inside. And going outside with your mom or your dad is fun, and it's also important that you stay with your mom and your dad while you're outside. And I know it's hard not being able to see all your friends from school. I'm missing my friends at school too. Oh, look at that. The lumps, the balls are forming. Gets a little hard to stir when it starts to change the consistency into the Play-Doh ball. But it's real fun to make, and sometimes we do an uncooked recipe with the kids with Kool-Aid. That's cooking up very, very nicely. See how I have to keep stirring it so it doesn't stick and burn? That's very, very important. It'll be ready in a few minutes. Turn it down just a bit. We don't want it to cook too fast. It's harder and harder to stir, but that's okay. I have strong hands. It's forming very, very nicely. Gonna turn it down just a bit again. It's almost at the point where it's gonna form the nice big ball. Just a couple more minutes. And it smells like Play-Doh. Gonna test it a little bit. You'll know when it's ready when it doesn't stick to your hands. It's sticking a little bit, so it needs to cook just a little bit longer. And it feels wonderful. Warm Play-Doh feels so nice. Almost ready. I'm gonna take my watch off so I don't get that messy. Now we'll test it again. Oh, I love Play-Doh. Oh, it looks like it's ready. There's none on my hands, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Oh, this feels very nice. Scrape up the sides. Take it over to the counter. See that nice ball? There's our Play-Doh. Get the excess out of the pot. Take this to the sink. And I'm going to knead it like you knead bread. And that's pushing it down. Oh, that feels so nice. And there's little bits of flour, and like I say, you can incorporate those in. Mix it all up. And you do this for about 5 minutes. Oh, this Play-Doh came out very nice. I'm very, very happy with it. And it's a nice color orange. And I hope you guys have fun with it too. So I'm kneading this. And you kids could do this. If it's not too hot, your mom or your dad has to make sure the Play-Doh's not too hot. It's a little too hot for little hands. But it's very, very nice. I love Play-Doh. I love squishing it. And we are done. And that's how you make Play-Doh. And I love you guys, and I miss you guys, and I hope to see you real soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye from Teacher Susie. Bye. Mwah.